Today started just like any other. I'm going through my emails and I see Creator Handbook. They send out periodic updates. And here's Mr. Beast AI thumbnail tool faces creator pushback. I got interested in what this story might have to offer. It's early. My coffee hasn't kicked in. Here's the actual article itself. You can take a quick look at that. Slow down this video, whatever you want. And here's the article. Now, I was able to find probably, we can't say that this is actually Mr. Beast's tool that he has. It says, brought to you by Unnecessary Inventions. You could probably chase down. But I thought it was kind of interesting. I figured, well, what the heck? Why not try out this tool? As you know, if you're a subscriber of mine, I've already done a Mr. Beast type thumbnail creation workshop. Now, let's go down to some of my thumbnails. Let's ignore the one on the top because that one was modified to meet their requirements. As soon as you try to get a thumbnail, now most people are using 1920 by 1080 as their thumbnails now. Now, you notice this thing has a pop-up. So this says, MrBeast.com says, image dimensions must be 1280 by 720. So I did not meet the requirements for this. Now, I also have other tools which I'll show you. Background remover, which automatically will give me a product, and you can just leave it in the comments down below. I'm not actually going to show it in this video. So let's do another one. Now, this is kind of an interesting thing because it makes me kind of curious, and maybe this is the pushback that they're talking about. Let me open this up first so that you can actually see what the thumbnail looks like. This is the thumbnail that I'm going to upload to this site right now. Now, my sneaking suspicion is what a genius thing to do, because here we have this, there's nothing saying that we're not doing what we're doing and, that you're being warned or anything. So now let's just go here and we're going to upload this thumbnail to this site. And MrBeastify my thumbnail. Oh, okay, it uploaded this time. It didn't do it before. Let's go and MrBeastify the thumbnail. Whoa, we put Mr. Beast in there. Yay. That'll make that thumbnail pop. I think it's funny. Oh, man. What a great joke. Well, the other thing about this is, Jimmy, what a smart marketing campaign. Now we're going to be marketing Mr. Beast Bar, and we can download this thumbnail. And I'm going to put MrBeastify your thumbnail. Let's try it one more time and see what it does, if it does it and does anything different. Oh, there we go. Aha. So we go through the commercial first, and then we go and we add the Mr. Beast. I kind of like this. I don't know about anybody else, but I think that this is bad press, and I don't blame Jimmy for getting upset, because I heard he got upset and wrote some rather descriptive language on X, which I don't visit very often. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I am Thumbnail Hacks. This is Bill Doobie, and I love you all. Bye-bye.